Hello friends, are you ready to guess the picture? Let's begin! Can you show me which picture of the eagle bird is correct? No, you're wrong. No, you're wrong. No, you're wrong again. Fantastic! You're right. It's really a picture of an eagle bird. Now you can see the real eagle bird. Now try to show me the correct picture of the vulture bird. No, you're wrong. No, you're wrong. No, you're wrong again. Fantastic! You're right. It's really a picture of a vulture bird. Now you can see the real vulture bird. Now try to show me the correct picture of the owl bird. No, you're wrong. No, you're wrong. No, you're wrong again. Fantastic! You're right. It's really a picture of an owl bird. Now you can see the real owl bird. Alright, today you've got to know a lot of animals. See you in the next video.